Sneezing. Sneezes are irritating, especially if a person sitting beside you does it without covering his mouth. Sneezes are also life-threatening. Remember how our moms used to say, "Never hold a sneeze in"? Turns out they were right. Violent sneezes have caused slipped discs, fractured ribs, and even heart attacks. Coughing. Just like sneezing, coughing too hard or too long can be bad for you. This is one of the reasons doctors usually hook you up with pills that stop the symptoms first. Coughing fits are known to break ribs too. The strange things your body does when you cough uncontrollably is that it shuts down your airways, so basically you cannot cough or breathe anymore.